Ons almal weet hoe belangrik gehoorbeskerming is en dat daar verskillende gehoorbeskermers op die mark is. En as jy 'n stel reisers van Walker het jy topgehalte in jou besit. Maar wat van as jy dit kan beter maak? Wat van as jy met veelvuldige mense op een slag kan kommunikeer? Dis hoekom Walkers hierdie reiser walkie-talkies ontwerp het. Walkers het juis hierdie walkie-talkie ontwerp vir groot byeenkomste, soos byvoorbeeld 'n skiedag waar daar honderde mense betrokke is. Met 22 kanale en 99 subkanale kan tientalle mense gelyk kommunikeer. Soos byvoorbeeld die baanoffisiere kan in 'n radius van 5 km hands-free met mekaar kommunikeer sonder om sy oormowwe af te haal om sy radio te gebruik. En natuurlik vir die van julle wat in 'n span skiet, kan jy nou nie net met jou spanmaats kommunikeer nie, maar sowel die baanoffisier sonder om jou oë van die teiken af te haal. Die walkie-talkies werk op amper elke model reisers, solank hy 'n mikrofoonaansluiting het. En om hom te installeer is baie eenvoudig. Skuif hom in die mikrofoonpoort in en klip hom op die linker oorlop, in Bob se ankel. Dit werk uitstekend in voorsitjagte, of natuurlik, as jy 'n jagter in die veld aflaai, kan jy presies uitvind wat aangaan en waar hy is, solank hy binne 5 km radius van jou af is. Kyk na die volgende video insetsel.
Ready? Engage target. Ceasefire, ceasefire, ceasefire.
Wasn't that nice? I didn't have to yell at all. These Walker's Razors walkie-talkies could be really useful for hunting. Now you probably need to check your local regulations to make sure that you can use an electronic communication device while you're hunting. You know, even if you're doing everything right, you wouldn't want to run afoul of some kind of odd law if you're just talking to your buddy in a deer stand nearby, or your buddy out here who's trying to hear what you're saying. You know, you shoot a deer and you're trying to pinpoint the location. I think he's even further.
Further down, like 15, 20 yards type deal?
Way further.
I'm on it. Just let me know when I'm getting close.
Oh, I'll let you know. And you know, one thing you notice on the range, we're using the hands-free portion because you don't want to have your gun shooting, you're trying to fumble with pushing the button. But out here, you've got a rifle rest. You probably don't need it to pick up everything that's coming through your mic. So I switched to push to talk and you just push the button and it's really clear. Do you see anything yet?
I still don't think it was this far. How much further I gotta go? Do you see anything yet? Not yet, Ryan. Just gotta give him a little bit more time. This is pretty cool that we can talk to each other in the blind. Yeah, Walker's is making some pretty cool stuff. I like it. Yeah, you're right. But next time, we probably ought to bring 2 blinds. That's a good call. KJ, over and out.
Hierdie is die ideale bybehoor vir jou stel reisers. Dit gaan jou lewe soveel makliker maak by enige byeenkoms waar jy gehoorbeskerming nodig het. En die van julle wat so op die ref skree, kry vir jou vrou ook een. As jy skree, sit hom af. As jy verversing soek, sit hom aan. National Cartridge is die amptelike invoerder van hierdie wonderlike produkte.